Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Infusion Software Services. In this video, I am going to show you how you can manage your expenses in BillSmart software. The way you are managing your customers, laser suppliers, laser their payment, the same way you can manage expenses in BillSmart. First, go to the account menu and select Manage Expense Account. This is the Manage Expense Account screen where you see if you want to add a new expense account, you can give the new expense account name, and some expenses are already registered, so you can also use these expenses too, and as per your requirement you can add a new expense account, like you are paying salary to your workers, to your employees, or you are paying electricity bill, you are paying the rent of the shop, so you can create the expenses. Like I am creating rent as an expense and click on this new button. The expense head is created. These heads are activated. To use this head we need to activate this. So select this entry and click on this activate button. Now this expense account is active now. If you want to deactivate any expense head, so select the expense and you can deactivate if you are not using this expense account. So there is a message, it may impact on the linked records, so please confirm, do you want to deactivate this expense account? If you want, so click on this OK button, otherwise click on this cancel button. If you want to delete any expense account, so select and click on this delete button. Again there is a message, if you want deleting expense account will permanently delete it, it may impact on your linked account. So if you want to delete it, then click on this OK button, otherwise click on this cancel button. To manage expenses, go to the account and click on this manage expense. This screen will open. To create a new expense, click on this manage expense button. The new expense details screen will appear. Expense ID is automatically generating by the software. You can select the expense date. In the expense type, you see the list of all those expenses. Those are active. So you can select under which expense type you are creating this entry. Expense amount you can mention like 5,000 rupees. To whom you are paying, so you can give the person name like Mr. Ravi. By which payment mode you are paying. There is a list of different type of payment modes, so you can select, like I am selecting cash. Purpose and the note section, you can write any note like rent for the April month. You can write any note and click on this save button. I refresh the page, so the expense entry is coming in the list of expenses. If you want to print this receipt, so select and click on this print receipt button. You can print this expense receipt and you can give this receipt to the person. If you want to update any entry, so select the expense and click on this update button. You can update any entry, like some other person you are giving this, or you are paying some other month entry, or the amount has changed, like amount is 6,000 rupees now. So I change the amount and save it. And I refresh, so the latest entry that we have done for the 6,000 rupees, it is coming in the list of expense. If we want to delete any expense, so select and click on this update button. Clicking on this delete button, the expense entry will remove. If we want to search any of our existing expense, you can search by the expense ID by using the expense account, like I am selecting electricity bill and I search. So this is the electricity bill, so this entry is coming. Otherwise you can also search by using the time duration. You can also check your expenses in the reports format. So go to the report and select expense account report. So this is the list of all expenses accounts. They all are listed down in this report with their status, are they active or they are deactivated. So you can check their status too. And you can also check the expense report as per the time duration. Like I want to check from the 1st May to today's date and click on this view button. So this is the expense detail report where you can check your expense account, the note that you have wrote, to whom you have paid, what is the payment mode, what is the expense amount. You can check this report and the total expense is also coming in this report. This is the way you can generate your expense detail report. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.